Ramanujacharya was born thousands years ago, who lived 120 years. That's the greatness of that Acharya. We have lineage of gurus, real gurus, Acharyas, starting from Dakshinamurti, so many other rishis like Vyasacharya, Parashara and all that. And then we come to the age of Sri Shankaracharya. And after Shankaracharya, who is a Advaita Siddhanti, after him, he promulgated the Sanatana Dharmam so much and revived it. And then after him came Ramanujacharya. Ramanujacharya has created a wave of philosophy, and his philosophy is still talked about in our country Bharatam. And his philosophy of Advaitam, that is one, Ekam tat vipraha bahudha vadanti, that's the philosophy. The same ultimate power, ultimate Shakti is being called differently, but it is one. God is one. That is the Advaita Siddhanta. He had great followers, he had, and a lot of Shishyas, disciples, started promulgating his Siddhanta, and now we have to further enhance or popularize his philosophy all around the world. With the idea of popularizing and promulgating Ramanuja's philosophy, a group of young, educated, enlightened youngsters, 100 of them, got together to form Kainkarya Shri, a voluntary association, and attached to them, and they have created an app called Kainkarya Shri to make all people around the globe, irrespective of any religious attributes, any religion, any person who wants to cleanse themselves can chant the name of Ramanuja 100 times every day. They want to make it 108 crore repetition of the same Taraka mantra, Ramanuja, Ramanuja, Ramanuja. The app repeats this in a sloka form, and people can go along with that chanting and make their own counts. Minimum every day 108 chants of Ramanuja, 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 Ramanuja. Multiples of 108 is good, and it will create a big vibration. The more we chant, the more the effect of chanting will permeate the whole world. It is for the welfare of people, humanity. Bhavisyatascha lokascha sarvakarmanusadhakam. It is for the generations to come. The prosperity and happiness and the spirituality in which our Bharata Desham is based on, that Sanatana Dharma, is to propagate and popularize. And through this app, Kainkarya Shri, the group of youngsters are trying to impress upon all people to chant and gain the effect of the chanting of mantram Ramanuja, Ramanuja, Ramanuja. Keep chanting and let us all pray by chanting Ramanujacharya's name. Let us all pray for the welfare of the entire humanity. This app, Kainkariya is being launched on 2nd of February this year, on the birthday of Ramanujacharya's Shishya Korath Alvar. Please remember the date 2nd February 2021. Let us all pray for the welfare of the humanity, and by chanting Ramanuja, Ramanuja, Ramanuja over and over again, let us create a big wave, more than 108 crores, that will bring prosperity to the entire humanity. Thank you.